Hey girl, hey, it's me, Shay, and I'm back again for another video. I know I look crusted and busted, but don't watch that. Today we're going to be reviewing and installing a wig that was sent to me from Muse Free Hair. So shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So I'm going to give you guys the first glance of what the wig looks like coming out of the box, and our challenge today is going to be to try to wear it straight out of the box. Like, we're not gonna be bleaching the knots, we're not gonna be doing none of that, because Muse Free Hair claims to be, I don't know if y'all could read that, but it says your bob wig specialist. And so this is supposed to be out the box, press it out a little bit, ready to go type situation. We are going to be the judge of that. Okay, so this is what it looks like packaged in the box. It's wrapped up in like a hairnet. It also comes with a wig cap, well, 2 wig caps. Not my color, but we ain't using the wig caps today either. And what is this? Oh, instructions on how to wash your wig, how to measure your wig, and then like a number to call or WhatsApp them if you have any problems, and a QR code to their Instagram. So yeah, this wig is a 12-inch glueless bob wig. Now y'all see how my hairline grows a little funny. I don't know if the glueless method is gonna work for me, but we gonna see, child. We gonna see. So, oh Jesus, can't take it home. Okay, it's out. It is a closure wig. This is Swiss lace. So y'all know Swiss lace is a little thick, and this is what the knots are looking like. Honestly, it don't, hold on, let me see, because that might just be that little part. They might be trying to jump slick on us. Girl, and these knots don't look bad, girl. Girl. Okay, this is what sister girl is giving. Let's try it on, because y'all know my head big, and I could, oh, this is not gonna fit. The inside of this, same structure as most wigs, you know, the closure, then it has 4 combs with one at the bottom, and the elastics to secure it. But the way this wig is built, like, it goes in, if I could, I don't know, like, it goes, it's not really wide, but it's deep. I don't know if that makes sense. And I have a wide, big head, like the perimeter of my head is big, so I don't know if this can fit. And I honestly did not plan to do too much altering to the wig, because it's supposed to be out the box, ready to go. So let's see. Okay, it's not bad. All my edges and stuff, all my extra edges and stuff out, but I think the way the hair falls, I don't have a comb close to me, so I'm gonna use my hot comb. Don't judge me. I think the way the hair falls, oh my god. Let's press it out and see. Started from the bottom of the wig to the back, like the nape of the neck, and I just sectioned it off a little bit and pressed it out. And honestly, I was really impressed by the way that this hair not only took heat, but like the shine after I added heat to it. I didn't use any heat protectant because I wanted to see how the hairs of the wig would comply without anything on it. And honestly, I was pleasantly surprised. Like, that looked good. Look at that. This is just a shot of all of the hair except the closure. So this is like the full wig without the closure being pressed, and it's already given salon. Like, it's already given professional. Look at that. Look at the cut. Look at the body. Look at the shine and sheen. This wig was already impressing me, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I was impressed. Now it's time for a little hair prep. So because I'm not doing the ball cap method, I need to make sure that my little baby hairs and flyaways are pushed back and not in the way, so I went in with some Got to Be Glued, the black one, because the white one a little pasty and nobody's be interested in all of that, and just blow dried it for a bit. Nice and quick. This only took about like 2 minutes, to be honest. Then I went around my hairline, cleaned it up with some alcohol to make sure that the skin is clean and ready for the adhesive. Okay, if you know, you know, when it comes to the LA Girl Pro Face finishing powder, that's the business, y'all. So I just took this powder and went in, covered my lace to make sure that it blends with my skin a little bit better. And then I went over that with some of the Got to Be Glued spray in the yellow can and just blow dried that really quickly. So now our lace shouldn't be giving ash as much. Okay, so first impressions of the wig after I pressed it out. It looks okay, like it looks really good. It's cut super neat, which I love. It's like the perfect length for an everyday throw on your head type of bob wig. No ball cap. Wait, it looked twisted. Okay. No ball cap or nothing, and that lace right there looks really good. The only complaint I have so far is you see these little flyaways, and like they're short to the top, little flyaways to do. Yeah, that's kind of weird to me. I don't know what that's about, but I do have a wax stick that I'm gonna put on that with my handy dandy, what's this thing name, hot comb. And yeah, also if y'all hear noise in the background, sorry about that, but people cutting the grass outside. It's nothing I can do, okay? So let's move on to sticking this wig down. I was going to just I didn't show y'all this. Yeah, so my edges are still out, so the wig is fairly small, but I feel like I could rock it like this because it's thick enough in the front, so that shouldn't be an issue. I kind of feel it myself a little bit. Anyway, let's glue the wig down. I don't know what I use it. Either I'm going to use my Evans spray or I'm going to use actual glue, because I don't need it to last that long. I just want to do like a couple makeup looks with the wig on, and I'm probably going to take it back off. So yeah, I don't need it to be lasting that long, but I need it to be lead. So let's get into that. Now I'm just going to take my wax stick and I'm going to put some on the front of the lace, a little bit down the sides, just because I don't want none of these flyaways getting in the way once I'm gluing the wig down. Then I'm going to take my hot comb, run it through a few times, and then we can move on to the next step. So I decided to go in using my Bold Hold glue. And what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do 2 layers of the Bold Hold. What is that knocking? These people just want to mess up my video. Okay. Try to mainly put the glue on my skin and not my hair when I can, but y'all know I have like a really low hairline, so some of the glue always gets on my hair. And I'm just gonna use my edge brush, flatten it out. Try not to leave any like lumps or clumps with the glue, because sometimes when it's like that it takes a longer time to dry, because as you can see the glue is already disappearing, so like it's already drying on its own. A little bit more here. Looking down at my mirror, if I haven't already told you guys that. So I'm gonna blow dry this until it gets dry. I'm gonna let you watch me do that, and then I'm going to do the second layer off camera and come back for the melt part. So here I am just pressing the wig in using a comb, making sure that everything is stuck and laid, looking nice and smooth together, and then using a blow dryer to melt it all in. Now I'm going in with my Evan lace spray. This one's of course in the red can, and I'm just going to spread that all across my hairline just for like an added layer of protection, and it also helps the lace to melt more seamlessly. Now I do like the red can, but the black one definitely is much better. So I wish I had used the black one, but nonetheless the red one did the job. So I put my black band on, and while that is helping my lace melt, I'm going to go in and make sure that I lay the top of this wig. We don't need no humps, no bumps, no lumps in the wrong places. So I'm just going to like separate all of the hairs that are on the closure, like just do small partings, add the wax that I was using earlier, and then go into each individual part where I added the wax and use my hot comb and lay that out. After I cut off the excess lace, I did go back in with some more of the Ebon spray because I felt like the first round didn't really melt the lace as much as I would have liked it to. And this is where I said I wish I had used the black one because I feel like it would have done a better job. Okay, so the wig is on. I did leave more lace on the closure than I usually would, but that's just because like I showed y'all, like my hairline is super like extended, and if I had put it like where like only on skin, then my wig would be all over my forehead and it would look crazy, and we're not doing that. So that's like a little hack for people like me with super extended hairlines and not that much forehead space. Overall, the melt on the lace is pretty good. I don't know if it's picking up nicely on camera, but in my little mirror that I'm looking at, it looks really good. It's just ashy, so I would have to put some makeup over it to get it to like blend into my skin tone. But I'm gonna do some baby hairs to cover these thick little white edges here, and then probably some in the middle, and then yeah. Okay, so after separating my baby hair, I think I am going to go in and do a little bit, just a tiny bit of plucking, because that's a little bit too dense for my liking. Also, don't talk about my thick baby hairs because I like thick baby hairs. So now I'm just playing with my baby hairs, trying to see like how I want them to lay, how I want them to look. I did do the plucking. I didn't want to go too heavy-handed on the plucking because I noticed with like other wigs that when I would pluck them a whole lot and they would give that super natural effect, those lace on those wigs do not last long. Like your lace will be balding really soon, and going into this year, I'm trying not to do that, and so I didn't want to do too much plucking to this wig off the rip. And yeah, just see where it goes with this. Okay, so I'm about to tie my wig down with my satin wrap, and then I'm going to get all dressed up. Not dressed up, I'm going to do my makeup. Put some makeup and finishing touches on the wig, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. So stay right there. Okay guys, this is the final look. I went and I did a little Valentine's Day look. If you want to see the photos for this, follow me on Instagram. But I definitely love the hair. I have zero complaints, y'all. This is so cute. It's the perfect length. The texture of the hair is actually really good. I thought like with this being an Amazon hair company, it was gonna be nil, you know, but it's actually really good. that I'm super happy about. And yeah, this is so cute. I rate this wig a 10 out of 10. This hair company knew exactly what they was doing, and I see why they call themselves literally having the best bomb. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my socials that will be listed. This hair, all of the products that I used today, everything is going to be listed down below in my Amazon storefront, so definitely check that out. Shout out again to our sponsors, and I will see you guys in another one. Bye.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Ladies,